The Tantra of Naad Yoga. The system was created by Guru Nanak using 60 different rags. Later, Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj compiled everything. The 10th master compiled everything in Sri Guru Granth Sahib, the holy scripture, using the sound current and the mantra for the communication between mind and soul. 60 moods which we live every single day. But now learning about it, to utilize these emotions to express through sound, using the tempo and the tone in a particular way, using the silence in a particular way, and using the posture of tongue and ear in a particular way. Pronunciation, the poetry, the politics behind the words, materialistic language of a communication, how to use that to maximize the results. And Guru Nanak teaching us step per step the art of life. This is how we communicate with the soul. This is how we understand what mind is. It's not just happiness and sadness. It's not just hatred or love. It's not just a smile or tears. The life is much more in detail. It's not just basically 9 or 10 rasas in the life. It's the application, using and earning this language of feelings, using the sound to compose the psyche, using the sound to listen to that sound which is beyond sound, the anhad, to achieve the balance in life, to be happy and healthy in life. There's nothing which you can't do once you know how to focus, once you know the art of focus, once you know how to be happy, once you know how to burn your sadness in a meditation, once you know how to burn your longings and turn that into a positive mode and mood to meditate, to communicate using the Naad Yoga, then yogi, your life will be so incredible, so powerful. You will be able to share the gift of a healing with others. You will be able to grow the smile on other people's faces. You will be able to bring the peace upon this universe. Let's start the journey.